Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you some sport gloves for the winter time. This sport gloves comes from Lzfitpot. These are winter warm gloves, anti-slip touch screen gloves, windproof thermal gloves, cold weather for cycling, for men and for women, of course, because these gloves are unisex. That means you can wear it both, man or woman. No problem with this kind of gloves. And these gloves are really nice. They have a nice fitting, a nice shape, etc. Everything is really awesome on it. I think they are good and they are not so expensive. This is awesome too. You have there so many features in it. This is a smart thing. And you can use them for cycling. You can use them for hiking. You can use them for Pokemon Go. Because you can use these sport gloves with your smartphone. With your smartphone and your tablet, personal computers, etc. Touch screen is the key here. The winter gloves for men and for women by the Lzfitpot are windproof, non-slip, and splash-proof, and therefore they offer absolute protect from the cold. Oh yeah. Look the head in these winter gloves and warm your hands at temperatures up to minus 30 degrees Celsius. The sport gloves are especially suitable for cycling and running unit in the winter time. You have two touch fingers. This is a design on the fingertip of the thumb and the index finger, perfect for smartphones, tablet PCs, etc. You can use a smartphone or a touch screen with these gloves. While you are wearing these gloves, you can use your touch displays. This is really awesome. I think so, because at the in the past I have so many problems out there in the winter time, because I like Pokemon Go, and there's every time minus 5 degrees Celsius out there. My fingers are so cold, and with these gloves it's no problem anymore. Really awesome. Touch able screens. Perfect for autumn or winter time. You can use it for cycling, skiing, riding, climbing, running, hiking, driving, fitness, outdoor sports, mountain biking, etc. And all day long able to use your smartphone. This is awesome. The color in this case is black. You can also use other colors. It's no problem. You have the material is a polar, fleece, and TPU. The function is touchscreen, waterproof, thermal warming, windproof, and it's non-slip. It has a non-slip surface. It is waterproof on the upper side that you can feel. It is like a neoprene, and on the bottom side there you have a non-slip feature. The gender is unisex, I told you. Compared to your user size, you have to look what size you will need, S, M, L, or XL. I'm using XL because my middle finger length is over 9.5 centimeters. The palm width is over 11 centimeters, and the total length is over 26 centimeters. That means I have to wear the XL version. For S, you have to look, finger length is 8 centimeters, palm 9.5, total length is 33 centimeters. M, you can choose if your finger, the middle finger is 8.5 centimeters, palm 10 centimeters, and the total length is 24 centimeters. L, you can use your middle fingers, 9 centimeters, palm is 10.5 centimeters, and the total is 25 centimeters. So you can measure this up. Then you can order these gloves easily. And as you can see, I use the XXL version and it matches. Awesome. Nice fitting XL. Sorry about this, not XXL. XL feature is for my hand. Awesome. And the best thing on it, I think, is a smart option to use cell phones, tablets, etc. as shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and have an awesome winter time. Bye, and do not forget to buy gloves like this here in that video, because this will give you joy. Soon soon!